To approve a token for Uniswap v3, you need to understand the basics of the Uniswap protocol and how token approvals work. Uniswap v3 is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. First, you need to have a wallet that supports Ethereum and Uniswap, such as MetaMask. You also need to have some Ether in your wallet to pay for transaction fees. Next, go to the Uniswap v3 website and connect your wallet to the platform. Once connected, navigate to the pool or trade page where you want to approve the token. Before you can trade or provide liquidity, you need to approve the Uniswap v3 protocol to spend your tokens. This is a security measure that prevents unauthorized spending of your tokens. To approve a token, click on the Approve button next to the token you want to approve. This will prompt a transaction in your wallet, which you need to confirm. After confirming the transaction, wait for the approval to be confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the network congestion and the gas fees you are willing to pay. Once the approval is confirmed, you can trade or provide liquidity with the approved token. It is essential to note that you need to approve each token individually, and the approval is only valid for the specific token and the Uniswap v3 protocol. As a best practice, make sure to only approve tokens that you trust and only approve the amount you need for your trading or liquidity provision activities. This will help prevent unauthorized spending and protect your assets. In summary, approving a token for Uniswap v3 is a straightforward process that requires connecting your wallet, navigating to the pool or trade page, clicking the Approve button, and confirming the transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely trade and provide liquidity on Uniswap v3.